Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Abhishek, can you
So,
please tell me
uh,
about yourself?
okay, so,
Speak.
okay, so first of all, good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. This
Mr.
is
Abhishek, I think you are
Abhishek.
living in a village. Are you
Abhishek
living in a
Pura.
village where there is no
I'm from
internet?
Indore and
हेलो,
born and bottom.
आपको इंटरनेट बिल्कुल खराब है, कुछ आवाज नहीं आता है ठीक से। आप
Uh,
अपना अपना ईयरफोन
sir,
को निकाल के
am
बात
I
करो।
audible?
अभी ठीक है, अभी
Hello.
ठीक है, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है, अच्छा से बात करो।
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Sir, this is Abhishek Kushwa. I am from Indore and born and brought up from there only. I have 2.5 years of experience in US mortgage industries, and I served as an associate analyst there in the vendor risk management department. And I have also done my summer internship in the hospitality industries in the areas of finance operations, working capital management, capital budgeting, and evaluation of financial statements. And if we talking about my educational qualification, I completed my master's in finance from Jaipur Institute of Management, Indore, and completed my bachelor's of engineering from Medicaps University. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Good, very good. What are your strengths?
Sir, my strengths are I have enough patience. I have good analytical skills. I'm good in teamwork. That's all, sir.
हम्म, थोड़ा और भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं। You are telling very briefly. I want brief answer, but इतना brief नहीं है। Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I will work.
yeah. Mr. Abhishek, you studied and you said you have been working in some US mortgage company. Are you working now? You have come
Yes,
out
sir.
of it. You have come out of it?
No, sir. No, sir. I left job last year because I want to pursue my further career in banking industries only.
Mhm. And you should also say, if I work there, there was no time for me to prepare. So in order to allot sufficient time for
Okay.
preparation, I had to resign from that.
Hmm.
Okay. Can you
Sure, sir.
elaborate?
Okay.
Can you elaborate the nature of work you were doing for that US mortgage company?
Okay, sure, sir. Sir, in my previous role, I was served as an associate analyst where I lead a team of three individuals in the US live shift. And basically, our task, our responsibilities revolve around the directives received from the senior management. And our task includes initiation of vendor onboarding, recertifying the existing one, performing the due diligence procedures for the prospective vendors, and perform vendor terminations based on the feedback received from the senior management. And apart from this, we were also responsible for managing the contracts as executed with the third party, and also I taken the part in the negotiation, negotiating on the prices, terms and conditions, and the services provided by the third party vendor to our firm.
Good. Now
That's
come to
all,
India.
sir.
Come to India. Please tell me the procedure for giving in mortgage loan in India. What are the formalities banks observe?
Okay. Okay, so in India, basically, if someone needs a home loan or a loan for the purchasing of the property, they goes towards the mortgage loan. So in India, there are multiple mortgages like a simple mortgage, user luxury mortgage, and English mortgage, and uh, condition by sale mortgage, and anonymous mortgage. So there are multiple mortgages are prevalent in India.
See, look, the problem here is you have answered me like a student. The answer expected out of this is for mortgage loans, these are the formalities to be completed. In India, we take equitable mortgage of deposit of title deeds with registration. Okay, that is the
Okay,
procedure
sir.
adopted.
Yes, sir.
Because you start confusing more with the different types of, even I don't know what is usufructuary mortgage, English mortgage, and there is no need to know also, unless they want to ask specifically
Okay,
about that.
sure.
So you tell this is how mortgage is done. These are the formalities to be completed. Like say, can you tell me what are the formalities for housing loan? You should go through.
Yes, sir.
You should.
Sir,
You
can
must
I
go
switch?
through. You must go through Punjab National Bank website and try to follow what are their features, salient features, what are their requirements. उसको देख के आपने हमको बताना है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure, sir.
आपका preparation उतना अच्छा नहीं है. You are not prepared still fully well. Now I will ask general
Okay, sir.
questions. I will ask general questions.
Okay.
Now, what are the principles of that a banker should follow for credit? Before giving credit, what are the points he should look into? Principles of insurance is one thing, like that principle, credit policy insurance. What are the policy you should have?
Sir, first of all, we consider the safety of our
Hmm,
lending money.
hmm,
We safety, profitability, and liquidity. We consider this as a principle of lending.
hmm, correct. Um, Now, what do you understand by refinance?
Refinance. Sir, sir, can I switch into Hindi for better explain?
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. आप हिंदी, any language of your choice आप बता दीजिए हमको. Yeah, I
Okay.
can follow
Okay.
Hindi.
Sir, okay. So, sir, if any borrower, अगर वो लोन लेता है लेंडर से, तो लोन लेने के बाद उसे कुछ टाइम बाद अगर वो जो अलॉटेड अमाउंट है अगर वो कम पड़ जाता है तो वो रीफाइनेंस के लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है बैंक में. तो बैंक उसी उसी कोलेटरल उसी सिक्योरिटी पर रीफाइनेंस प्रोवाइड कर सकता है बोरोवर को.
पता नहीं व्हाट इज refinance और बताइए.
सर जैसे कि अगर कोई बोरोवर लेंडर से लोन लेता है तो अगर कुछ टाइम के बाद अगर वो लोन अगर खत्म हो जाता है बोरोर के पास जैसा कि वो उसका यूटिलाइजेशन हो जाता है उस मनी का देन वो बोरोर वापस बैंक के पास जाकर वापस रीफाइनेंस के लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है ताकि उसे एक्स्ट्रा मनी उसी कोलेटरल पर प्रोवाइड किया जा सके लेंडर के थ्रू.
No, 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 no. Totally wrong. I think you are not in line with me. Now, Rishika, could you
Yes,
understand my question? Could you understand my question?
yes.
Uh, yeah, what are the refinance facilities? What is meant by refinance?
Uh, what is refinance? As I know what is refinance. So refinance means when you are not happy with your existing bank, it could be because of the high interest rate, it could be because of the low services they are providing. So you decide to switch your bank to another bank for better services, for better interest rate, or if you want to extend your loan term, you can refinance with another bank.
This is not what I
Okay,
had
okay.
in. No, no, this wrong. What she told is wrong. This is not what I had in mind. What I had in mind was the refinance facilities which banks get from institutions like NABARD for advances made by them to the customers. Because out of refinance, banks get back their money, which again can be lent to their borrowers to improve their profit. This is
Okay.
refinance.
Okay.
Whereas the one you are all mentioning is known as taking over of the facility.
Okay, in Australia we call it as a refinance, so I thought you were talking about.
Yeah, takeover of this. Yeah. In different places, it is called by different name. For example, in India we call it lorry. In Canada we call it as truck. So likewise, there will be some difference. That's why I asked you. You people who have had exposure to foreign, you should not bring those terms into Indian credit scenario.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so that is
Yes.
an important thing.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah, now, um, Mr. Abhishek. Now let us go to
Yes, sir.
Punjab National Bank. In the Punjab
Yes,
National
sir.
Bank website, what are the points you have studied already or you wanted to study afterwards?
Sir, I have studied that the retail credit amount uh, of Punjab National Bank is reached up to 2,22,576 crore. Uh, under these under these various categories like housing, auto, and education loan are included, etc. are included under this.
Hmm. No, no. Let me ask step by step. Tell me what are the loan products?
Sir, loan products are saving account, uh,
Loan
the
products.
saving account.
I am asking loan products.
Okay, okay, okay. So the loan products are term loan, CC, OD, overdraft facilities, and term loan, and auto loan, education loan, gold loan, uh, and non-credit facilities also are there, like line of credit and bank guarantees.
Non-credit facility, non-fund based. Non-fund based. They are called
Non-fund based.
non-fund based. Okay. And you don't have to tell about overdraft loan and all that. That is types of loans. Disbursal, it is given as a term loan, it is given as a cash credit, it is given as a open cash credit, key cash credit, it is given as a key credit card, sorry, Kisan credit card. It is also given as a credit card like that. So that is okay.
Okay.
Very good. So this much is okay for you. Now I will hand over to Rishika. Rishika, whatever doubts that comes to your mind or as a co-student, please put some questions to our friend.
Okay, so could you please tell the difference between letter of credit and bank guarantee?
ओके सो बेसिकली जो मेन डिफरेंस होता है लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट एंड बैंक गारंटी के बीच में, लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट एक एक क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी होती है, जिससे कि बैंक अपने, जैसे हम, आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल देयर, अगर अगर कोई एग्जांपल, कोई इंग्लैंड में कोई इंडस्ट्री है और उससे इंडिया की कोई इंडस्ट्री को अगर कोई मशीनरी मंगवानी है, तो वो अपने इशुइंग बैंक के पास जाता है, इंडियन इंडियन का आदमी, एंड वो अपने लोन ऑफ लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट इशू करवा सकता है उससे पेमेंट करने के लिए, जो कि ब्रिटेन में उस मशीनरी का इंडस्ट्री में है.
No, she was asking letter of credit.
So
Hello.
it is basically hello.
She was asking about letter of credit. Line of credit
Sir,
is line of credit is different from letter of credit. A letter of credit is a letter from a bank guaranteeing that a buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and to the correct amount. Or you can explain with example like a Indian importer goes to his banker, asks him to go and open a letter of credit favoring the exporter in London. This is being advised through the correspondent of Indian bank. The exporter receives that, agrees to that, produces the goods, manufactures the goods, sends it as per the terms and conditions of the letter of credit. That means everything must be followed. The way they are packed, that must be followed. The number of invoices to be given, that must be followed. The description of the goods, that must be followed. Everything should be followed, and then this exporter should make it. And after making that, if he presents the document to our issuing bank, issuing bank will refund the money immediately without verifying from the if it is all in order. So of course, they will be requesting the importer to provide funds in the account. If they are not providing funds also, they will debit advance bills account and make a payment of the money. So this is what it is. But if the exporter is a very good exporter, he has got a good reputation, he can always give this bill to his bank so that the same day he can get back the money in his place and उनका बैंक हमारा इंडियन बैंक को भेजेगा, इंडियन बैंक उस बैंक को रिफंड करेगा. ये है लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट. गारंटी क्या है
Okay.
बता दीजिए, गारंटी क्या बता दीजिए.
Okay, sir. A bank guarantee is a guarantee given by the bank on behalf of the applicant to cover a payment obligation to the third party. Let's say, in other words, the bank become a guarantor and is answerable for the person requesting the guarantee in the event that they are unable to make the payment they have agreed with the third party. That's called bank guarantee, sir.
Good. This one is okay. Bank guarantee is an agreement made by the bank to compensate the third party in case the second party in between is not fulfilling his promises in terms of performance or in terms of repayment of money and all that. Now,
Yes, sir.
thank you, Rishika. I will stop this interview with one last question to you. Please expand DPG.
Sorry, sir.
DPG.
DPG. Sorry, sir. I don't have any
Eh,
idea about it.
Rishika, you have any idea?
Sir, I don't have any idea.
Deferred payment guarantee.
Yeah, deferred payment guarantee when the payment is
Oh.
made in installment.
Exactly. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. Abhishek, you are done well, but
Yes, sir.
you can also read more and improve your abilities nicely.